How are you feeling today?
Not great, but hanging in there.
Want to talk about it?
Not really, it's still painful.
Do you need some company?
Maybe later, I need space now.
Have you been eating well?
Trying to, but appetite's low.
Do you want to go out?
Not ready yet, maybe soon.
Have you been sleeping okay?
Not really, it's been tough.
Are you thinking about him?
Yes. It's hard not to.
Are you feeling angry or sad?
A mix of both, honestly.
Want me to delete photos?
Not yet, I'm not ready.
Do you miss him sometimes?
Yes. But trying to move on.
Do you regret anything?
Maybe. But trying to accept it.
Want to watch a movie?
Not in the mood right now.
Are you keeping busy?
Trying to, but it's hard.
Do you want to talk later?
Yes. When I feel better.
Are you okay being alone?
Sometimes, but it's tough.
Want to go for a walk?
Maybe later. Feeling low right now.
Do you need a hug?
Yes. That would be nice.
Are you thinking about dating again?
Not ready yet, need time.
Want to hang out with friends?
Yes. That might help distract.
How's your heart holding up?
Fragile, but healing slowly.
Are you ready to move on?
Not yet, still healing wounds.
Want to go out for coffee?
Maybe. But feeling low today.
Are you feeling lonely?
Sometimes, but trying to cope.
Do you still talk to him?
No. Trying to cut ties.
Are you feeling better today?
A little, but still hurting inside.
Are you doing okay financially?
Managing, but it's tough.
Want to go on a trip?
Maybe later. Need time first.
Are you feeling hopeful now?
Trying to, but it's hard.
Do you want to be left alone?
Sometimes. Need space to heal.